Besides the PS5 Pro 30th anniversary limited edition, the PlayStation Portal was the one to get. So I just got in the 30th anniversary limited edition PlayStation Portal, and I'm gonna unbox this thing. And at the same time, Sony came out with a super exciting update, which I'm gonna talk about later on in the video. So make sure you guys stick around and check that out. First, let's check out the box. These limited editions have the OG PlayStation theme going on. This looks fire. First, we got the title here. This is cool because it's like the original PlayStation 1 design. We got the OG PS1 logo right here. PS5 required, Wi-Fi required. Limited edition PlayStation Portal. Put your PS5 in the palm of your hand. This shows the 30th edition. Looks like the digital one. Yeah, this box is fire. I like almost don't want to even open it. Sony killed it with the artwork. All right, let's get this box open. We got the seal right here. All right, about to open this thing up. So this thing has some 30th anniversary artwork inside here. Damn, that's cool. All right, so this thing has the 30th anniversary symbols all around this box. And then we also have the 30th anniversary symbol on the tab right here. That's pretty dope. Okay, let's see what's inside. We got the cable here. You can see the 30th anniversary symbols on the actual cable. All right, here it is. All right, here we go, guys. I think I'm more excited about this than the actual PS5 Pro that I unboxed last time. Oh man, dang, wow. Wow, look at this, guys. Damn, this thing is cool. It's like the old PlayStation 1 loading screen. So on the back here, it says PlayStation 30th anniversary. You can see the symbols. It's like the DualSense controller where you can see the little PlayStation symbols, but it's the 30th anniversary symbols on this one. And then we got the OG PS1 logo right here. This thing is super nice. Real quick, just going over the specs on this. It has the 8-inch LCD screen. You get 1080p at 60 frames per second on this screen. The original PlayStation symbol here, USB-C, headphone jack. We have the mic button up top. And then you have the volume controls on the top. You have the power button. You got the 2 speakers on here. The adaptive triggers. Love how they made these buttons here. Man, this thing looks so clean. I don't even want to do it, but I gotta peel this thing off. All right, y'all, let's get this thing off of here. Dang. Man, I'm gonna keep this thing as a sticker or something. Dang, this thing is so nice. All right, we're gonna turn this thing on and do a quick setup. Would have been cool if they did the PS1 logo on here instead of that. All right, Spider-Verse. So one huge update that Sony came out with for the Portal, now you can use cloud gaming on this Portal. So you don't have to hook it up to your PS5. You get 120 games through the cloud gaming. You have to subscribe to the PlayStation Plus premium tier. It's $159.99 a year. And right now for Black Friday, I think it's like 30% off or something like that if you're a new subscriber, or if you're upgrading, I don't know if it's like 25% or 30% if you upgrade. It might be a little bit less. The cloud gaming, they're beta testing it right now, so it's not like the final version. So you might run into issues and stuff like that. The 4.0 update finally fixes the micro stutters that people had on their PS Portal. I never had that issue on mine, or I've never noticed it. A lot of people have had this issue and Sony finally fixed it. Another thing that Sony did with this update, I talked about this on my video with the Portal versus Backbone, is when you put this thing on the lowest volume setting, it's still super loud. So they made the volume a lot less on this one at the minimum volume. So somebody out there listened. All right, we're in the Portal like Doctor Strange. All right, so this thing is connected to my PS5 right now. Man, I'm so happy to have this thing again. Like, I haven't had it for about a month now because I sold my old one, and to me it's 100% worth it, and I have the dopest one that they came out with now. If you guys want to know more details about the Portal, make sure you guys check out my video about the Portal versus Backbone versus remote play. But yeah, this thing's pretty dope, huh? I'm about to go play this thing. I'm out.